is Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy budget-friendly meal that costs under $10. So here I have 2 packages of the Knorr's Cajun chicken flavored rice and 1 bag of the medium cooked shrimp, peeled and deveined. Okay, for our Cajun chicken rice, we're going to need 4 cups of water and 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, to my pot, I added my water. You want your heat on high, and I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let that come to a boil. Once your water has started to boil, you want to add both packs of your rice in. You want to go ahead and mix it. Make sure it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to let it cook for 7 minutes. We're going to place our lid over top, and you want to stir occasionally. Okay guys, for my shrimp, I removed the tails. I added some parsley flakes, some garlic powder, ground black pepper, and Old Bay seasoning. You guys can season your shrimp the way that you would like. And all you want to do is mix it around till each shrimp is coated in the seasoning. Then you want to get 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. To my frying pan, I'm going to add in my oil. So I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let that melt. Butter has melted, you want to add in your shrimp. And we're going to cook them for about 4 minutes. For 7 minutes, you want to go in and mix your rice. You want to taste it and make sure it's cooked all the way through. And if it is, you can go ahead and turn your heat off. Okay guys, your shrimp, you want them to be on medium-high heat. You don't want to overcook them. Okay guys, once your shrimp is done, turn off the heat. Now all we're going to do is add our shrimp to our rice. Okay guys, now all you want to do is mix it. As you can see, I like my shrimp to have a little crust on it. So now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our Cajun chicken rice with shrimp. Remember, this meal is under $10 and it's budget friendly, and it makes 5 servings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?